With the chair legged up, mark the seat at the back leg joints to identify stock to be trimmed on the back and sides of the seat. Then take the legs off. Draw an arc on the back of the seat and cut the arc at the bandsaw. Draw a profile down the side of the seat between the front leg joint and the back leg joint. Bandsaw the side profile and use it for a pattern on the opposite side. Trace an arc out from the pommel to about a ½ inch from the side of the seat front. Bandsaw the arc and use it for drawing the arc on the other side of the pommel. Round over the bottom, back, and sides of the seat, staying clear of the seat to leg joints. After you leg up the chair again, size, flute, and chamfer two 1/2 inch by 2 1/4 inch dowels and insert them in the arm to front leg joints. Stabilize the arm with clamps for drilling through the back leg into the arm. Identify the point for the back leg to arm screw hole. First drill a 1 inch deep hole with a 7/16 inch brad point bit. Then use the Miller bit to drill the rest of the hole as deeply as possible, aiming for the back of the arm joint. Drive the appropriate screw in each hole and pull the arms up tight. No glue in any of the joints yet. Use the book. It explains how to find the right height and angle for the backrest placement. Identify the 3 screw hole points on the outside of the back leg at the backrest. And with it firmly clamped in place, drill the pilot holes, sighting down the curve of the backrest, and drill them with the Miller bit, and then insert the screws.